Hello everyone! Today we're going to learn about Allium trichocum, better known as wild leeks or ramps. Ramps are one of the most popular items foraged worldwide, and with good reason. They're absolutely delicious, and they're one of the first plants to poke out after a long winter. Identifying them is easy. We're going to go over that in just a second. The most important thing to remember is although ramps are abundant across many parts of the Midwest and Eastern United States, one plant takes 7 years to grow from seed to maturity. So harvesting sustainably is one of the most important things we're going to learn today.
Ramps are an easy beginner plant to identify. They grow in patches or clumps along the forest floor under hardwood trees. Ramps have 1, 2, or 3 broad leaves depending on previous harvest and maturity. Leaves start at the base of a red stem. A key identifier is smell. Tearing a leaf will release a pungent onion garlic smell. Ramps take 7 years to grow from seed to maturity, so never harvest from sparse patches and never take more than 10% of a patch in one season. Harvest more leaves than bulbs. Only harvest from plants with 2 to 3 leaves and never take more than 1 leaf per plant. If you do decide to harvest bulbs, never take the entire bulb. Carefully slice the bulb in half just above the root rhizome.
Enjoy your ramps fresh or cooked. Add them to any recipe you would onions or garlic. But if you'd like to hang out just a little longer, follow me into the kitchen and I'll show you how to make a from scratch ramp butter recipe.